No matter how careful you are, drains can get really dirty and blocked up during a prolonged period. You can either seek expert assistance to clear the blockage or do it yourself. Opting to choose the second option requires an effective drain cleaner that will dissolve the organic materials and restore the flow of the drainage system. If you're having difficulty finding the best products, then we have a list of drain openers that you can consider. Our review is based on its performance, customers' reviews, and popularity on the market, so it will be our pleasure if you can join us as we introduce our 5 best drain openers. Now let's begin. Considered by most consumers as a reliable product comes from the market of the world's best drain cleaners, the Drano Max Gel Clog Remover. This latest addition to the family of Drano delivers a high rate of performance because of its cutting-edge ability to remove tough clogs. It's made of a thick, gel-like formula that can effectively clean areas with an abundant buildup of hair, soap scum, and other hard-to-remove blogs. It can cut through water straight to your shower, laundry sink, tub, kitchen sink, and other areas that clog easily, clearing tough elements as it sinks to the bottom and works its magic. This clog remover is safe to use on metal pipes, septic pipes, PVC, and garbage disposals. It's a bit slower compared to its predecessors, where you need to wait for about 7 minutes. However, it's safer for household usage and the average customer, because this gel remover doesn't produce serious fumes during the application. For better protection though, always wear goggles and gloves. Forget about the traditional half-baked remedies to fix the problem and get it done quickly. With this special formula, it works excellently by clearing away stubborn and thick clogs that you may encounter. It comes with a guarantee to work the first time you use it or get your money back. To use it, pour half the bottle into the drain slowly. Leave for 15 minutes or more to let it work completely, and then to complete the process, flush the drain using hot water. Our next product is the Liquid Plumber Pro Strength Clog Destroyer Plus Pipe Guard. It has a triple action formula that removes grease, soap scum, gunk, hair, and other tough elements in your drainage system. This powerful product can cut through standing water and dissolves the materials that slow down the normal function of the drain, ensuring that your pipes are clog-free and cleaner after the application. It's safer to use for regular monthly maintenance because the active ingredients are pipe-friendly, preventing damage while performing its magic as it sinks under. As it works, it also gets rid of unpleasant odor and leaves a repellent barrier to prevent sticky grime off the pipe walls. The result is the restoration of clear and free-flowing drainage. The thick gel formula easily coats the pipe, dissolving the buildup of organic matter, food, and hair. It does contain phosphorus, only biodegradable surfactants. And it's made with PipeGuard, ensuring safety for all types of septic systems, old pipes, disposals, and PVC or copper or plastic pipes. To start total declogging, simply pour about 16 ounces of this power-packed formula down the drain and wait for 15 minutes before rinsing it with hot water. This pro-strength cleaner and deodorizer is perfect for kitchen sinks, bathroom sinks, bathtubs, and showers. Just don't use it with toilet bowl cleaner or ammonia, because the combination might release hazardous gases. So there goes our first batch of drain opener. If you have any comments or questions, then feel free to write them down in the comment box. We're happy to read your views and we'll do our best to answer any questions you have. If you're not yet a member of our friendly community, then please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to tap the bell icon to get an instant notification when we upload a new product review. Now let's continue. Next on our list is the CLR Buildup Remover Liquid Drain Opener and Care. This mighty remover is part of the Safer Choice program of the EPA, the authority that recognizes products with no bleach, ammonia, or phosphates, certifying that it's a safer option to the chemical-laden ones. It's a very reliable preventive maintenance product, dissolving various organic elements and sources of clogs, like kitchen waste, soap scum, oil shaving cream, conditioner, shampoo, and hair. Regular use prevents buildup and blockage, restoring the former glory of your draining system. It eliminates pipe buildup right at the source, keeping your grease traps, sinks, showers, toilets, garbage disposal, and drains flowing freely and smoothly. This fragrance-free remover can easily clean your pipes without the hassle of messy mixing or caustic chemicals that are present in other products. It's non-toxic and safe to use for people, pets, and the environment. For slow drains, pour 2 ounces directly until it flows freely. If needed, apply up to 5 consecutive days. For preventative maintenance, applying 3 ounces directly into the drain every month will keep its normal condition. For garbage disposals, a monthly application of 2 ounces and letting it sit overnight will do the trick. Apply during the period when there's minimal water usage. Another popular product is the GreenGobler Drain Opener Packs. These individually wrapped drain cleaning formulas break down and liquefy fats, grease, hair, paper, and other organic elements. Each pack is good for single use, effectively eliminating a mess, guessing, and measuring to produce an accurate amount. The granular formulation also prevents possible splashing and spills. It's made of a unique blend of environmentally friendly ingredients that easily clear the plumbing or drainage blockage. This biodegradable formula works great for showers, toilets, bathtubs, bathrooms, and kitchen sinks. Using it around your home or the office won't compromise everyone's health because it's non-toxic and doesn't contain dangerous chemicals. It doesn't harm the household pipes or septic systems because it adheres to the green chemistry principles that the EPA advocates. You get a free plastic hair grabber tool for every purchase, helping you remove the toughest hair clogs from the sink or tub drain. The grabber is reusable, and it quickly and effectively dissolves grease, soap scum, body oils, rust, toothpaste, flushable baby wipes, lime and calcium buildup, and other organic materials. GreenGobler also provides easy returns guarantee and full reimbursement if you're not pleased with the products, no questions asked. One more product to review, and you can finally choose the best one for you. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and also the bell icon for instant notifications of our newest videos. Now back to our review. Our final product is the great value Drain Clog Remover Gel. It contains a professional strength gel formula that resolves pipe problems quickly and effectively. You don't need to hire a professional serviceman to declog your drainage systems when you have this around. The special and safe formula of this high-performing clog remover targets tough elements that hinder the normal flow of standing water. It addresses the slow-running drains in your bathtub, shower, kitchen sinks, and garbage disposal. Simply pour the recommended amount directly into the problematic area and allow it to do the cleansing effect. For tough clogs, pour about 1/2 of the bottle and leave for 30 minutes. For slow drain, use 1/5 of the bottle and leave for 15 minutes. For garbage disposal drains, follow the same procedure, but remember to keep the cover close until the drain is cleared to prevent possible splashing of residual materials. After the period, flush with hot water and repeat the application if needed. Like other products of great value, this item is made of premium and safe ingredients with an affordable price tag. It's available in Walmart stores nationwide and on their website, helping you access the order or shop whenever you want to stock up. When handling, take extra care and always transport or store it upright and tightly capped. Buying the right drain opener for your type of drainage system is important to prevent ruining or damaging of the construction materials. It's vital to check the content of the formula to avoid further damage and expense. If you're ready to get one for yourself and for your family, then please click the link to the product of your choice to get a great deal and have it delivered right to your doorstep. If you want any products to be reviewed, then leave them in the comment box and we'll give it our utmost attention and try to grant your request. Don't forget to tap the bell icon to be notified whenever we have a fresh product review. Click the subscribe button to join our expanding community, and thanks for joining us on our 5 best drain opener review. See you in the next video.